Writers and authors. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Writers and authors develop written content for various types of media. Work environment. Writers and authors can work from anywhere using a computer. Many writers and authors are self-employed. How to become one. For full-time employment as a writer or novelist, a college degree in English, communications, or journalism is usually required. Experience gained through internships or any writing that improves skill, such as blogging, is beneficial. Salary. The median annual wage for writers and authors is $63,200. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of writers and authors is expected to fall by 2%. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the most up-to-date career and educational videos. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the like button. Please ask any queries you may have in the comments section.